So you've been on your journey to improving yourself, and you might have noticed that there are times where you get really excited to build some new habit of yours, but then over time, the habit just falls off to the sidelines. For example, when I first started getting into meditation, I was really excited and just fascinated by all the benefits I got. I would always feel more calm throughout the day, just feeling this overall sense of relaxation. And there was this sort of greater sense of clarity that I got from it. But after a certain period of time, the meditation habit it just started becoming more and more of an afterthought. You may relate to this in some way. You've tried to build a new habit and you've had some success in terms of doing it consistently for a period of time. But eventually, life happens, other things are demanding your attention, and the habit just fell off to the side. If that happens to you, this video is for you. I want to show you a simple way in where I have gotten myself to stop undermining my self-improvement habits. And I really think that this will help you a lot. So the biggest thing is to determine why you have the habit in the first place. There's a lot of good and different habits out there, but if we don't know why we're doing it in the first place, they become very easy to overlook. For me, I was having a problem with exercise. I knew that there was a lot of benefits like, oh, you become more healthier, you're more strong, you have more confidence. All of these things are of course good, but none of them were things that I was really looking for. Like yeah, becoming confident, stronger, and healthier, of course I'd want those things, but they weren't my primary focus at the time. The reason to exercise was so vague that it would always fall off to the sidelines. There was no clear and distinct reason to do it. So, whatever the habit is for you, I want you to become very clear on why it is you do it. What specific benefit are you looking for? And yeah, there's going to be like a million other different benefits that you get from it, but what is the one thing that you're looking for? Something that you're really, really excited to get out of it. For me, I found that with exercise, the main things that I wanted from it were energy and to build my physique. So I have one block of time set out for doing aerobic exercise, and this really helps me build my energy levels. And I also have another block of time, which is for weightlifting, and that's to build my physique. Each different block has a specific objective for it. Yeah, I still get a lot of the other benefits, but I'm really just focused on getting the energy and to build my physique. And for me, this has really helped because every time I think of doing the habit, I no longer neglect it because I know specifically, okay, this is why I'm doing it. This is why I want to do it. There was a while back when I would just watch a bunch of YouTube videos and saying, oh, 8 good habits that everybody should do. And watching these kind of videos were kind of helpful at the time because I just didn't know what good habits look like. But I noticed after a while, like the only habits that really stuck to me were the ones that were like, okay, I definitely need to do this and it's because of this reason. For example, the habit of sleep really stuck to me pretty fast because the main thing was energy. Of course, there's a lot of other benefits of sleep, but the main thing I wanted was to have more energy throughout the day. Now, originally when I was planning this video, I was going to give a bunch of other tips and strategies that I've used, but I think if I did that, that would do more harm than good. Personally, when I watch YouTube videos, especially if it's kind of short like this one, I watch it the full way through. And I've noticed like when they give me 10 or 8 different pieces of advice, I only implement either one or none. Either one because it really stuck out to me, or none because it was just so much information and I couldn't pick one. I just got so overwhelmed. So in this video, I really tried to use the 20-80 strategy and only give you the most important. Because implementing this one strategy ended up accounting for about 80% of the change. So I hope that this works similarly well to you. If you enjoyed this video and you really got value from it, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, bro.